Business valuation is a key competency with enterprises, which has multifaceted uses. It is essential for navigating the complexities of investment, acquisition, and strategic decision-making. This PPT covers multiple business valuation approaches such as asset-based, income-based, and market-based methods. Furthermore, you will acquire insights into the valuation steps through simple flowchart, which will enhance your command of the concepts. Download SlideTeam's PPT deck on business valuation to determine your business's true value. Even better, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. The presentation also includes an organized table for calculating free cash flow over 5 years. Get a valuation results template to provide a comprehensive understanding of your business's worth and its components, enabling stakeholders to make informed, strategic, and financially sound decisions. It is imperative to align these with goals and objectives. Identify comparable entities, present market data, and calculate valuation multiples with this relative valuation slide, which is also a crucial part of this PPT complete deck. Want more? This PowerPoint presentation encompasses an inclusive template for business due diligence process. To accomplish this, a series of 5 distinct steps are explained in detail. You will also receive a visual depiction of the strategic due diligence methodology, comprising 7 sequential steps. These steps span from establishing the baseline starting situation and evaluating market segments to stress testing corporate strategy. We conclude with a summary and recommendations. Doesn't this offer a convenient solution? So, leverage the power of accurate valuation. Download our Business Valuation PPT module and optimize your business strategy now. Also, for more such presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.